Solar water heating is using the sun to heat water. There are two different types of solar water heating, passive and active. Passive is using glass to trap heat inside the box. The light passes in through the glass and cannot escape. Active is using electricity to activate pumps and fans to distribute heat. Ours was most like passive, but it wasn't quite like passive because we didn't use glass. The purpose of our project was to have the tin foil reflect the light and heat into the bottle. It did this, but the bottle could not retain the heat, so it didn't heat up the water above 10 degrees. Problems were that the bottle isn't insulated enough. The plastic wasn't enough to retain the heat, so it all escaped. And the tin foil reflected some of the light, but not all of it, and it reflected it in different directions because the tin foil was crumpled.
Our hypothesis was that we will get 10 degrees Celsius above the control.
The materials for our project were a cardboard box, a 2-liter bottle, which is also half a gallon, aluminum foil, and 4 rubber bands.
First, you line the box with foil. Next, you fill the bottle with water. Then, you place the bottle in the box. Close. What? Then, you close the 4 slabs on the box. And voila!
Our solar water heater did not work as expected. We had expected it to reach 17 degrees Celsius, and it only reached 10 degrees Celsius. It did not work because the bottle allowed sunlight in, but it couldn't keep it in. We didn't increase the surface area of the water. The water was not around a conductor. The areas containing the water were not black, so the bottle wasn't painted. We didn't insulate the box enough.
We're trying to record!
We did use reflectors and mirrors, which was the tin foil, but the tin foil wasn't reflective enough to keep the heat in the box. And we also didn't angle it 45 degrees to the southwest, which is what we should have done. So our project did heat the water slightly, but it didn't heat it enough to actually be warm.